To news from the agriculture sector now, onion farmers in St. Thomas are urgently appealing for help. After producing a record harvest, they're finding it difficult to get enough buyers to absorb the supply. Details in this report.
There is an urgent appeal from onion farmers in St. Thomas who say thousands of pounds of onions remain in storage and in the fields without buyers. They warned that if buyers are not found soon, they could face major financial losses.
We put in a whole heap of work to make sure that the onion them come good, proper. And at each time when you listen to the news, you hear how much millions of dollars the government spend to input onion in our country. And now we have them millions of stay in our country so we can rotate them. We can be able to buy one vehicle, maybe can start one room or something like that. And we can't find a buyer. 500 bag of onion, we have to see better every single night. So Mr. Fly Green, I ask your boss, please, if you can help with solution.
Farmers say an agreement was reached with the authorities, but they are still waiting to see any progress.
One government team come out here in what they want to keep on meeting and them say the starting price of onion at 140. We agree with the 140. Them say when they take the onion, they give away. They give away 20% time money and 2 months time and pay with the rest. Everybody agree. But we don't see nobody come pick up the onion them.
The farmers warned that without swift intervention, large quantities of onions could go to waste, wiping out months of work and investment.
We spend with money. I don't know where I want to get food no money from. You understand? But me have to find my way out, brother. And it's a shameful act now for see boy so much of a farmer they own us. So yeah, and then the end of the day, I'm going to tour we alone there. That's what I say. Listen to me. Yeah? I'm not talking behalf of all farmers. No, I'm talking behalf of couple of way what makes sense, brother. But want something out of life in general.
They are urging the authorities to move quickly to coordinate sales so the surplus can reach consumers across the island instead of ending up as a cost and loss for producers. Earlier this year, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green announced that the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, is actively working to move the excess produce from farmers by partnering with private sector entities and buyers. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.